In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your TikTok account permanently. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then hit Add Profile icon to open up your profile page, and now all you have to do is just hit Add 3 lines, then tap Add Settings and Privacy, and at the very first position you can easily find that account option. Just tap on that and then hit on Deactivate or Delete Account. That will give you two different options. The first is deactivate account and the second one is delete account permanently. So what's the difference? If you want to leave TikTok temporarily, simply deactivate your account. If you choose to delete your account instead, you wouldn't be able to recover it after 30 days. So if you just want to, take a break for a while, you can hit at deactivate account, and your TikTok profile, including all your data, will be hidden from TikTok, so no one will be able to get access to your content. And also, in any time, if you change your mind, you will be able to activate your account again simply by logging into that account. However, if you want to permanently delete your account, hit Add Delete Account Permanently, and then go through all of these steps to permanently delete your account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.